Forget eggs. This vegetable protein builds muscle and kills sarcopenia after 60. Everyone tells you to eat eggs for muscle strength after 60, but what if I told you the real secret weapons are hiding in your vegetable basket? Yes, there are 8 powerful greens and veggies that can fight sarcopenia, rebuild muscle, and give you back the strength and energy you thought you lost with age, all without the heaviness of animal protein. After 60, muscle loss, sarcopenia, is one of the biggest reasons people lose independence. You can't climb stairs like before, carrying groceries feels like a workout, and even simple balance becomes harder. But here's the good news. Nature has packed certain vegetables with muscle-building protein, amino acids, and healing nutrients that not only rebuild strength, but also protect your heart, bones, and brain. Stay tuned because I'll show you 8 vegetable proteins more powerful than eggs when it comes to fighting sarcopenia and keeping you active for life. Let's face it, aging is not just about wrinkles or gray hair. The real danger happens inside, quietly. It's called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. Here's the shocking truth. Starting at age 40, we begin losing about 1% of our muscle mass every year. By the time we reach 60, that adds up to 20 to 30% muscle loss, even if you're not bedridden. That's why many older adults suddenly feel weaker, tire out more quickly, or struggle to lift things that once felt easy. And it's not just about looking weak. Sarcopenia has life-changing consequences. Balance issues and falls. Weak muscles make it harder to catch yourself, leading to fractures. Reduced independence. Everyday tasks like carrying groceries, opening jars, or climbing stairs become harder. Metabolic decline. Less muscle means a slower metabolism, which increases fat storage and raises the risk of diabetes. Brain and mood effects. Studies show muscle loss is linked with depression, memory issues, and even dementia risk. Now here's the mistake most people make. They think eating more eggs, meat, or chicken is enough. While animal protein helps, it often comes with cholesterol, digestive strain, and inflammation, which can do more harm than good for seniors. That's why we need to look at vegetables as nutrient-rich, muscle-protecting powerhouses that not only build strength, but also heal the body. The vegetable muscle builders. This is where nature shines. These vegetables may look humble, but they are packed with plant proteins, amino acids, antioxidants, and healing minerals that directly fight sarcopenia. Let's break them down. 1. Broccoli. Known as a super vegetable, broccoli delivers about 3 grams of protein per cup. It contains sulforaphane, a unique compound that reduces inflammation and slows muscle breakdown. Rich in vitamin C for collagen production and bone strength, making it perfect for keeping muscles and joints working together. 2. Kale. A leafy green that's more than just a salad filler, contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. Provides vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium that keep bones strong and help muscles contract properly. Bonus, kale is also loaded with antioxidants that protect muscle cells from aging. 3. Spinach. Famous for iron, but here's the real secret. Spinach contains dietary nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. Better circulation means better muscle endurance, less fatigue, and faster recovery. It's also high in magnesium, which prevents muscle cramps and stiffness. 4. Mushrooms. Not just a tasty topping, mushrooms provide 4 grams of protein per cup. They contain ergothioneine, a rare antioxidant that specifically protects muscle and nerve tissue from damage. Rich in vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, and vitamin D is essential for muscle strength and balance in seniors. 5. Green peas. With 8 grams of protein per cup, peas are one of the richest vegetable proteins. They are packed with lysine, an amino acid especially important for tissue repair and muscle growth. Many plant-based protein powders actually use pea protein because of how effective it is. 6. Moringa leaves. called the miracle tree for a reason. Gram for gram, moringa leaves have more protein than eggs, plus calcium, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. They fight inflammation, balance blood sugar, and accelerate recovery after physical activity. 7. Asparagus provides glutathione, known as the master antioxidant that fights oxidative stress in muscles, supports hormone balance, which is crucial since hormone decline in aging speeds up sarcopenia. Light, easy to digest, and perfect for seniors who want protein without heaviness. 8. Okra, or lady's finger, contains protein, fiber, magnesium, and folate. Its mucilage, that sticky, gooey part, supports gut health, which improves nutrient absorption for muscle repair. Its antioxidants reduce inflammation in joints, making movement easier. These vegetables don't just give you protein, they give you a full spectrum of nutrients to fight muscle loss from every angle. Why veggies beat eggs for seniors? You might be wondering, but aren't eggs already good enough? The answer? Eggs are good, but vegetables are better for long-term health in seniors. Here's why. Lighter digestion. Seniors often produce less stomach acid, making it harder to digest heavy animal proteins like eggs and meat. Vegetables are gentler on digestion, meaning nutrients are absorbed more efficiently. Anti-inflammatory power. Eggs contain compounds that may increase inflammation in some people. Vegetables like broccoli, kale, and spinach actually reduce inflammation, keeping muscles healthier longer. More than just protein. Eggs give protein and fat, but veggies give protein plus fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that protect your entire body. Fiber keeps your gut healthy, and a healthy gut means better absorption of protein. Longevity factor. Plant-rich diets are linked with longer lifespan, lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. In other words, vegetables not only protect your muscles, they also protect your future. How to eat them daily. The best part? These vegetables are easy to add into your meals. Here are some simple, senior-friendly ways to make them part of your everyday life. Smoothies. Add spinach, kale, or moringa leaves to a morning smoothie with banana, apple, and water. Stir fries. Cook broccoli, mushrooms, and asparagus lightly in olive oil with garlic for a quick protein boost. Soups and stews. Add green peas, okra, and Brussels sprouts into stews. Delicious and nutrient-dense. Salads and sides. Steam asparagus or broccoli and serve with a sprinkle of olive oil, lemon juice, and sesame seeds. Consistency matters. Eating 2 to 3 of these vegetables every day can significantly slow down muscle loss, boost strength, and improve energy levels. Food plus movement equals muscle power. Eating the right foods builds the foundation, but movement keeps muscles alive. Gentle resistance training or even daily walking signals your body to actually use the protein you eat. Pair veggie proteins with light exercise and hydration to maximize muscle gains. So forget the idea that only eggs can save your muscles after 60. With broccoli, spinach, moringa, peas, mushrooms, kale, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and okra on your plate, you're not just fighting sarcopenia, you're building a future of energy, independence, and joy. Start today and let your food become your strongest medicine. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share it with someone over 60 who needs this knowledge, and subscribe for more natural health secrets.